Pop the clutch. Mastering the art of driving stick shift. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, pop the clutch. This is a common expression, especially in the context of driving manual transmission vehicles. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand it better. Pop the clutch is a phrase that originates from the world of manual transmission vehicles. In simple terms, to pop the clutch means to release the clutch pedal quickly. This action is usually done to start a car that won't start normally, or to accelerate quickly. It's important to note that this is a technical skill and should be done cautiously. In a manual car, the clutch pedal is what separates the engine from the wheels. When you pop the clutch, you're suddenly connecting the engine's power directly to the wheels. This can cause the car to jerk forward or start abruptly. It's a technique often used in racing or when a car's battery is dead and it needs a push start. This phrase is not just limited to the literal action in driving. In everyday English, pop the clutch can be used metaphorically to describe starting something quickly or abruptly. For example, when the opportunity came, he popped the clutch and launched his new business. In different English-speaking countries, this phrase might have slight variations or be understood differently. It's also more common among people familiar with manual transmissions. In regions where automatic cars are more prevalent, this phrase might be less understood. Pop the clutch is a vivid expression that adds color to the English language, especially in contexts involving quick action or driving. Whether you're a language learner or a car enthusiast, understanding such phrases enriches your comprehension of English. We hope this explanation helps you grasp the concept and use it confidently. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.